Happy New Year! It is December 30th. We have just a couple more days in 2020 before we're ringing in that new year. And I think it's safe to say that 2020 was like no other. And here we are now saying goodbye to that year and hello to a brand new baby year. In the Bible, it says, "In the beginning, he looked upon the void and said, 'Let there be.'" We are looking at a void of a whole brand new year in front of us now. And it's our opportunity to say, "And let there be." There are two ways to live. One is by design and one is by default. Default is reliving the same old, same old. We are run by patterns. We all run patterns. You're running patterns right now. I'm running patterns right now. And in the absence of defining what it is that we would love to create in 2021, our patterns will run us. So here's your opportunity to ask that question, what would I love? And to put pen to paper. Highly successful people, high performers, they think in a certain way. They have a definite purpose. Napoleon Hill, who studied over 500 of the most successful people on the planet, dedicated 20 years of his life to really understanding what creates results. One of the things highly successful people had in common is they had what he would call a definite purpose. They knew what they wanted to create. They had a clear picture of where they're going. And when you know where you're going, you see opportunities that other people would miss. So it's a brand new baby year. You are looking upon the void of this 2021 calendar, and this is your opportunity to say, "Let there be," and describe what you would love 2021 to be. Happy New Year. Have fun. Stay safe. And here's to you living a life you love.